Now, sir, I think training program is exactly.
This is an orientation program for newly appointed members, non-official members of State Transport Authority, that is STA, and Regional Transport Authority, RTA, who function at various levels. STA functions at headquarter levels, and RTAs function at ADT level in all 10 sub-offices. So there is one non-official member in every RTA.
What is the role of the?
It is a quasi-judicial authority provided under Motor Vehicle Act 1988, that is ST and RTA, who decides the applications of route permits, that is new route permits, cancellation, extension, whatever.
No, but do they have any experience in transport system and all that?
Non-official members, there is nothing prescribed basically. Official members should have required experience, and they are within that.
So
Chairman and member secretary.
when they are appointed, what do you all look at?
What is
Their
the role of
qualification or what it is?
No, there is nothing prescribed for non-official members. It is a government prerogative to appoint the members.
what is their role of played by them?
So they constitute that body, right? So there is a decision making.
So decision making body, but they can decide on the road permits and all. They don't have any experience.
So there's a technical person. Now all the chairmen of RTAs are deputy directors, and all the member secretaries of all the RTAs are assistant directors of concerned office.
But they say
they are, yeah, and there is one, so it is a voice of public into the decision making process basically. But there are two officials who are well versed technically in the subject matter.
कितले numbers involved are इधर ना
So total 13 are there. So 10 RTAs, and here at STA
अशें सदांच म्हटलेलें आसा की परमिटा रोड परमिट कितें जाल्यार अशें जालें जाल्यार रोखडेंच मेळटा सो ह्या असले हेचेर मागीर दुबावाचे हेचेर तुमी कितें म्हणून सोदताले बिकॉज दीज आर ऑलवेज सम स्पेक्युलेशन्स
we are bound by the procedure. Whatever criteria and all is laid down in the motor vehicle act. So definitely, if they deviate, like someone will challenge it. So there is no. You have to follow the rules.
So can you give an example? What will be the role for one example of this committee or decision making? What decisions?
Yeah, applications are decided by this committee.
Which
Taxi.
application?
Now RTAs functions at sub level where all these yellow and black taxi matters come. Whereas STA, this tourist taxi permits are.
So after every how many months do they meet? Oh, every month they meet.
On an average, it should happen every month, depending on the agenda.
And this is committee for the which financial?
It has a tenure of 3 years.
3
Who
years.
appoints this committee? Government.
It's government.
But the members and all selections and all how it is.
It's a government.
apply करतो म्हटलं काय
No, it's a
They're
government
selected.
prerogative.
Huh?
There is no nothing. There is no
Minister
application
does not
process.
comment.
No, I will not.
Nomination.
I will not comment.
Okay.
Thank you.
अनदर इश्यू गोवा मायल्स विचारतो तुमच्या एम्बिटान येता काय तुमच्या एम्बिटा भायर
What is the issue?
गोवा मायल्स तुमचे टॅक्सी इश्यू
What is the issue?
त्यांचं तो हे बंद कर म्हणटा ॲप बेस्ड टॅक्सी तर तुमच्या एम्बिटान येता काय तुमच्या भायर येता
ना इशू कितें की पयर मिनिस्टरान म्हटलां की इशू ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंटाचो पण टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट घेवन बसला आनी आय डोंट नो वॉट इज गोईंग ऑन फाल्यां कितें जालें म्हणटकच ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट तुका ब्लेम जाता पण तुका मिनिस्टराक ब्लेम जाता आनी एके सायडीन बाबू म्हणटा की हे आपणें केलें
Now let me examine the issue before commenting any other incident.
तुमच्याकडे जर कोण देऊ ना तो इश्यू घेऊन
Now this specific issue
ॲप
kind of
बेस्ड
that.
टॅक्सी तुमच्याकडे रजिस्टर असतं का
हो,
तसं कितें असतं लीगली
All taxis are registered with us.
ॲप बेस्ड
Yeah, he's the aggregator. So the aggregator permission दिल्या ताका. Okay, and all taxis are otherwise registered.
टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट कित्याक घेवन बसलें
No, I don't want to comment on this.
ओके